Hi guys, I'm back with no video today, and today I'm just gonna be making like thing. There's not like a video, okay? So I'm sorry for it being very short. So yeah, I got this idea from Ishmael Rico. So I was thinking, what should I call you guys? So yeah. Oh yeah, and check out Ishmael Rico channel. He almost to 50 subs, so check him out. Help him out. And yeah. Oh yeah, comment down below what should I call you guys. The squad name. I don't know. Cause like we need to get the fam up. We need to get lit. Sorry about that. Okay. So yeah. This video is about just like a now, so it's not a video. Oh yeah, and if you guys wonder what's this crazy looking cube, it's a mirror cube. It's gonna be on my next video, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, remember to subscribe, like, turn on the notification to join this notification squad. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.